Hace poco. Hace poco. Hace comes from the verb hacer, which means to make or to do. Okay, so that's what this means. Poco, to do little, to make a little. Is that what this means? Hace poco. Let me tell you that you could use it literally if you're talking about someone who doesn't do much. Haces poco. You do too little. Or you do something, you do little, essentially. But you can also say it also means you do too little. Okay? But it has another meaning. This means recently or not long ago. Isn't it crazy? Who would have thought that this phrase means recently or not long ago? Obviously, you can also say recientemente, which is the literal translation of recently, but hace poco means also recently or not long ago. Now let's look at an example and let's see how this phrase works. Hace poco vi a Miguel aquí. Hace poco vi a Miguel aquí. So this means I saw Miguel here not long ago or recently. Okay? Hace poco. You can use it at the beginning of the sentence. You can also say, vi a Miguel aquí hace poco. You can use it at the end of the sentence as well. You can place it after the verb. In this situation, it could go here. No, actually, never mind. Cannot be there. In between these two. Vi hace poco a Miguel aquí. So obviously it depends on how advanced your Spanish is. But if you don't want to think about it too much, you can place it at the beginning of a sentence or at the end. And if you want to play a little bit with your Spanish, then you can place it after the verb. Vi hace poco a Miguel aquí. Okay? So, vi means I saw. You can say yo vi a Miguel. Hace poco yo vi a Miguel aquí. And that's also good. It makes sense, but you don't need yo. And why do we have an a here? That's because when you use the verb ver, which is this one right here. Obviously, be is the past tense of ver. You usually, when you want to add more to the sentence, then you need the letter A, ver a. And then you saw who or what. In this case, Miguel. Vi a Miguel. I saw Miguel. Okay, aquí means here, and we have our phrase hace poco, not long ago. Okay, or recently. Very interesting. It's a good phrase. This is another very common phrase that you can use in Spanish. And you will hear it in Spanish a lot.